Today's topic is how to solve installation error in Lumion 2025. Let's click on Windows Explorer address bar. Type cmd. Press enter. Copy the installer file name. Paste it in the command line. Type space -no. Press enter. After that, the installation window will appear. Click on Start Installation. Here you can see the installation requirement error has appeared. Click on Exit. Next, try installation in silent mode. Repeat the same process with letter S and press enter. After that, the installation will initiate and then fail with an error. Press any key and close the command line. Open Lumion official website. Click on Lumion Pro and start free trial option. First enter your valid email address. Next enter your first name and last name. Next enter your organization name. Next select your job title. Next enter your country. Next enter your valid phone number. Next select your business activity. Select the software you work with. This option is optional. Click on Submit. After clicking, Lumion will send an email verification link. Open the email. Click on Confirm my email. After clicking, a confirmation window will open. Go back to your Gmail account and wait for a few minutes to receive another login email. Open the email. Click on Login. After clicking, the Create Password option will appear. Enter your password. Again, confirm your password. Click Save. After clicking, My Product option will appear. From here you can download your latest product. Click on the license key. Copy your official activation code. Open the downloaded software location. Double-click on the installer file. Enter your activation code. Click on Verify. After clicking, it will start the installation file verification process. After that, the installation folder will appear. Click on Start Installation. After clicking, it will initiate the installation process, which may take some time, so be patient. After successful installation, click on Start Lumion. After clicking, License Agreement page will appear. Click on Accept. After clicking, Sign In option will appear. Click on Sign In. This will redirect to the browser and automatically sync with your Lumion account. After some time, Lumion will initialize. Click on Continue. After clicking, New Version Update will appear. Click on Continue. After clicking, you will get two options: Find Local Reseller and Continue Trial. Click on Trial. After clicking, it will start benchmarking. Here you can see my hardware benchmarking is completed. Click on Continue. So, in this process your Lumion installation error will be solved. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more interesting topics.